Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check the number of likes on an Instagram post using the Instagram app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can quickly see how your content is performing right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to your feed and posts. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to go straight to your profile page. Here, you'll find all your posts neatly arranged, making it easy to scroll through and find the one you want to check. Now, browse through your posts until you spot the specific photo or video you're interested in. When you've found it, simply hover your mouse cursor over the post. With the new update, a small pop-up will appear, showing you the exact number of likes that post has received. It's that easy. No need to open extra menus or dig through settings. This feature is designed to give you instant feedback on your content's engagement, whether you're a casual user or someone who closely tracks their social media presence. By making likes visible right under each post, Instagram helps you keep tabs on what's resonating with your audience, all from the convenience of your PC. Remember, if you don't see the likes count, it's possible that the account owner has chosen to hide like counts for that post. In that case, only they will be able to view the exact number, and that's it. Now, you know how to see the number of likes on any Instagram post using the app on your PC, thanks to the latest update. Keep sharing, keep engaging, and enjoy tracking your success on Instagram.